Hello, dear learner. Myself Vinod Kumar. Welcome you all to my channel Edge of Cognitive Minds, exploring the frontiers of learning. And today we will discuss Income Tax Act 2025. So, Income Tax 25 marks a major reform in the Indian taxation system. It replaced the 1961 Act and comes into the effect from 1st April 2026. In this lesson, we highlights its background, objectives, key features, tax slab, treatment of the digital assets, corporate tax changes, benefit and challenges, and overall significance for the taxpayer and businesses. So, first of all, we understand the Indian taxation system. What is the background of the Indian taxation system? So, India taxation was governed by the Income Tax Act 1961 for over 6 decades. Over time, it became complex, outdated, and burdened with the litigation. To modernize the system, the government introduced the Income Tax Act 2025. This new law simplifies compliance, removes obsolete provision, and aligns India tax framework with the global best practices. Now we will understand the objectives of the reforms. The new act aimed to simplify tax law, reduce disputes, and make compliance easier. It introduced the modern concept like the tax year, rationalized slabs, and digital first process. The reform also seek to ensure fairness, transparency, and adaptability to India growing digital economy, while reducing the burden on the taxpayer and businesses. These are the key objective of the reforms. Now we will understand the key features of the newly adopted Income Tax Act 2025, in which introduce several innovations, a unified tax year system, and simplified tax slabs with clear rules for the digital assets and consolidated tedious provisions. It emphasizes digital compliance through faceless assessments and AI-based monitoring. Outdated exemptions are removed, making the law concise, transparent, and easier to understand for all the taxpayer. So these are the key features regarding the Income Tax Act 2025. Now we will understand the proposed tax slabs. The Act rationalized tax slabs to reduce complexity, such as we understand the tax slabs through the picture. So up to 5 lakh no tax means 0% tax up to 5 lakh. Then the next slabs comes 5 to 10 lakh. Here is the 10% tax. Now the third slab, it is 10 lakh to 20 lakh. Here is the 20%. And above 20 lakh, there is a provision of the 30% tax. So these are the 4 slabs introduced in this new act, and this structure ensures the fairness, reduces confusion, and provide relief to the lower income groups while maintaining the progressive taxation for the higher earners. Now we will also learn some of the key features of the newly adopted tax taxation system in India. It introduced the digital asset taxation. For the first time, the law clearly defines the virtual digital assets (VDA) such as cryptocurrencies and NFT. Gain from these assets are taxed under the specific provisions, removing ambiguity. This ensure the transparency, prevent misuse, and integrate India tax system with the realities of the digital economy and protecting both investor and revenue. Corporate tax changes in the Income Tax Act to 2025. The Act simplifies corporate taxation by reducing the compliance burdens and streamlining rules. It introduced the incentive for startups, green investments, and innovation driven businesses, and faceless appeals and AI based monitoring reduces corruption and disputes. These changes aim to boost ease of doing businesses and encourage sustainable economic growth in India. And benefits for the taxpayer in the Income Tax Act 2025. The taxpayer benefit from simplified rules, reduced paperwork, and transparent digital monitoring. The rationalized slabs provide relief to lower income groups, while clear rules for the digital assets ensure fairness. Faceless assessment reduce harassment and streamline compliance, make taxation easier. Overall, the Act empowers taxpayers with the clarity and confidence in the system. Now, we also discuss the challenges in the Income Tax Act 2025. The transitioning from the old law to the new framework may pose some challenges. Taxpayers and businesses must adapt to the new definitions, compliance system, and digital processes. Monitoring digital assets effectively will require robust enforcement, and balancing simplified slabs with the government revenue needs is another challenge policymaker must address carefully. Now we will conclude the Income Tax Act 2025 is a modern, simplified, and digital friendly law designed for India futures. It reduces disputes, clarify rules, and integrate digital assets into taxation. Effective from 1st April 2026, it marks a significant step toward the transparency, fairness, and efficiency, and reshaping India tax landscape for decades to come. Thank you for watching till the end. Hopefully you like the video. Comment section is open for your valuable opinion and suggestion. We will see you soon in the next video.